Imagine this. Every decision you make today, every choice, every action, every moment of discipline or distraction is being witnessed by someone. Not by your friends, not by society, not by strangers online, but by someone far more important, your future self. The person you will become is watching you right now, quietly hoping you choose the path that leads to growth, strength, and purpose. And in this video, we're going to explore how to start making decisions that this future version of you will be proud of. Your future self is not a fantasy. It's the version of you who will live with the consequences of what you do today. Think of them as a silent witness, standing just beyond the present moment. Every time you procrastinate, they feel the weight of that delay. Every time you choose discipline, they receive the rewards. The question is simple. When your future self looks back at this moment, what story do you want them to tell? Picture two paths. On the first, you choose comfort, excuses, and the familiar. It feels good for a moment, but the long-term cost is heavy. On the second path, you choose effort, clarity, and responsibility. It's uncomfortable right now, but your future self walks that path with gratitude. Every workout you skip, every opportunity you ignore, every dream you postpone, your future self pays the price. But every step of commitment, no matter how small, compounds into a life they will be thankful for. The Stoics understood this deeply. They believed that the best decisions come from aligning with your highest self, the part of you that values wisdom, courage, and discipline. They taught that every decision is a chance to practice excellence, not perfection, but progress. When you feel torn between doing what's easy and doing what's right, imagine your future self standing beside you, whispering, "Choose who you want to become." Here's a simple exercise. Before making an important decision, pause and ask, how will this choice feel to me in 10 years? Not tonight, not next week, 10 years from now. That distance gives you clarity. Suddenly, scrolling for 2 hours seems insignificant. Suddenly, studying for your dream job, starting a business, working on your health, or repairing a relationship becomes the obvious choice. Because your future self, 10 years older, wiser, and clearer, already knows what matters. The truth is, life is shaped less by big decisions and more by the quiet, daily ones. Waking up on time, showing up for your goals, being honest when no one is watching, choosing effort over excuses. These choices look small, but they accumulate like drops of water filling a reservoir. One day, your future self looks around at the life you built and realizes, this didn't happen by accident. It happened because of who I decided to be every single day. The next time you face a decision, whether it's to work or procrastinate, to act or delay, to grow or stay the same, pause for a moment. Picture the version of you who will exist in 6 months, in a year, in 5 years. Ask yourself, will they thank me for this? Will they be proud of what I'm doing right now? If the answer is yes, move forward with confidence. If the answer is no, that's your cue to change direction. Your future self is not a stranger, it's you. And their life depends on the choices you make today. Every act of courage, every moment of discipline, every decision to take the harder path moves you closer to the person you were meant to become. So live in a way that will make your future self look back with gratitude, not regret, because they are watching and they're counting on you.